Hi, Tom. Hi, Jesse. Hi, Chris. So this is my elimination diet project that I worked on with Liz from class. Um, so what we did was we created this spreadsheet that has breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, themes, optional, and we picked out recipes. A lot of the recipes came from Jesse, your site, Wholesome Sprout. But then we also just, did a lot of Googling as well. And all of the recipes are linked. So all you have to do is go here and then you can click right on the recipe and it brings you right to it. Um, we shared the work and we also created a grocery list as well. This was just for week one. Liz worked on that. And she's also been doing some more with, different recipes and stuff. Um, Originally, I wanted to try this for the actual elimination diet, cutting things out of my diet to see um, what was making me feel not good. I so I stuck with this for a few days, and I have to say, I was starving. So it really just wasn't for me. And then I broke down and I ate a piece of chicken or something. I don't know, but so I kind of changed this a little bit for myself. I know Liz is going full elimination diet, and that is amazing, and that works for her. And, Jesse, just like you said, every body is different. So I'm super happy that this is working for her. But for me, I'm using these recipes still, but I have tweaked it so that I'm not eliminating everything from my diet. I'm just eating super clean. I'm being extremely uh, knowledgeable about what I put in my body, cutting back on sugar a lot, drinking a lot more water, which I do have trouble drinking water, so that's been a big one. And these recipes I've loved. The seed pudding has been like life changing. It's so easy to make. It's literally almond milk and the chia seeds, and a little bit of vanilla extract, and then you shake it up and put it in the fridge. And I've been doing it with bananas and cinnamon on top. But that I think is going to be really, really great for me in during the school year because I can make that on Sunday, put it in the fridge at school, and then easily have a breakfast on the go at school. So that's going to be great. I really loved these dinners. The sweet potato chips were really good. The Southwest quinoa salad was amazing. So really, like I said, this is more about eating clean for me than it is eliminating things from my diet. Um, but that's that. That's the project. Thanks so much.